Installing a remote keypad is a simple way to allow coded access to your garage. When shopping for your keypad, make sure you check the manufacturer's manual for your garage door opener. Cross-reference the radio frequency used for the remote and make sure you choose a keypad on a different frequency. Some keypads are labeled universal. However, it's best to check your instruction manual before purchasing a keypad. Also, keep in mind that garage door openers older than 15 years may not be adaptable to a remote keypad. For this installation, you will need a new keypad, batteries for the keypad, measuring tape, a pencil, a ladder, and an electric screwdriver. First, install the batteries on the new keypad. Now, using the keypad's instructions, follow the steps to program the keypad to your garage door opener. You'll need a ladder to access the garage door opener to complete this process. After programming your keypad, test it prior to installation. Pick a convenient location for the keypad. Measure from the ground up about 5 feet. Mark your measurement with your pencil. This is where the top screw should be placed for the keypad. Using your electric screwdriver, install the keypad to the door jamb. Once installed, make sure it is secure and works properly.